Hi guys, welcome back to ITeePK. Today I am covering the biggest Windows 11 25 update of December 2025. This update was originally planned for November, but because of Thanksgiving week, Microsoft pushed the rollout to December 1st. So for this video, I will simply call it December update. The new build you will receive is the build 26200-7309, also known as KB5070311. This feature update packed with improvements, new options, UI changes, and some important bug fixes. In this video, I will quickly walk you through the most important new features, new announcement from Microsoft, and few known issues you should be aware of before updating. If you enjoyed this clear Windows tutorial, make sure to like the video and subscribe ITPK so you don't miss an upcoming update. First of all, Microsoft has once again updated the way Windows shows update titles. From now onward, you will only see the date prefix, the KB number, and the build or version that the update belongs to. It's a small change, but it makes the update list much cleaner and easier to understand. Microsoft also confirmed that because of reduced activity during the December holidays and the New Year period, they won't release any non security preview updates this month. You will still receive the regular monthly security updates as usual, but the normal servicing schedule, including security and preview updates, will fully resume on January 2026. So basically, for the rest of this year, the only update we are expecting is the December security patch. Now, if you want to make sure you are getting the latest updates, just open the Setting app on your Windows, go to Windows Update, and turn the option that allows you to receive updates as soon as they are available. And after that, simply click the Check for Updates button. That's the easiest and official way to stay fully up to date. Now, let's talk about some new features that will be pretty much available for every users. First of all, let's see Microsoft has added the new option in settings. If we go to System and then Advanced, here we see the option Virtual Workspaces. These options allow you to enable or disable virtual environment such as Windows Sandbox or Hyper-V. If you see here, I have changed some of the options. It's asking me to restart my PC so that these changes could take effect. Next, Microsoft has rolled out some new changes inside the File Explorer. For example, if you open up the File Explorer and try to delete any file, you will get the new dark background. Now, this dialog will support dark mode, and also for some other dialog box like copy, move, share, and more, they're also gonna support dark mode from now. Microsoft is also testing improvements to a right-click context menu. Right now, this change is only rolling out to a small number of devices, but once it expands, you will see some common actions like share, copy, and move grouped together in more organized layout. This menu become more clear, smaller, and easier to use when this update reaches to all PCs. Microsoft is also expanding the Xbox full screen experience to more Windows 11 handheld devices. This feature isn't meant for every PC, but if your device support it, you will find the option inside the gaming section of the settings app and you can enable it from there. Next, inside the settings app, if you go to Bluetooth and devices and then mobile devices, Microsoft is now allowing you to add and manage Bluetooth devices directly from here. And once you have added your Bluetooth device here, then you could go ahead and download the link to Windows app on your phone and you will be able to manage all the features of your device directly into your Windows machine. Also, if you go to System, then Recovery and Quick Machine Recovery, Microsoft will run a one-time scan when these both options are turned on. So that thing is also changed. And also, if you go to System and then Recovery, Microsoft has added and testing this feature behind the scene that is point in time restore. This is basically a new branded system restore with few more options that includes restore point frequency, restore point retention, and also the maximum usage limit. Also inside the accessibility, and if you go to text cursor option, Microsoft has moved some settings from old control panel to this settings. For example, the cursor blink red preview has been moved to this settings from the control panel. And also if we go to accessibility back and then the keyboard option, the character repeat and delay rate also moved to this settings. You will also see a quicker access to features like store setting which now appear as a shortcut in the taskbar. Microsoft has added new hover animation as well, so when you move your cursor over the open apps, you get a smoother transition effect between the icons and their thumbnails. It looks like much nicer and more polished. Another small change is a new Share with Copilot option that will appear in the taskbar, but for now it's only rolling out to a limited number of insider devices. There is also an important fix for the automatically hide the taskbar option. Previously, if you enable taskbar auto hide under taskbar behavior, it could randomly turn off after showing a message saying that toolbar was already hidden on the side of screen. Microsoft has finally fixed the issue, so auto hide should now work consistently. There is also an important update to Windows Share. You can now share multiple files at once using the drag tray, which is helpful improvement. And if you don't want to use the drag tray at all, you can turn it off. Just open the setting app, go to system and then nearby sharing and you will find an option to disable the drag tray there. Another small but nice improvement is the search box inside the start menu. It now matches the new start menu layout and size, which makes the whole search experience feel more consistent and smoother when you start typing. It's a simple change, but it definitely looks better. Now, this update does have some annoying issues, especially with the File Explorer. Sometimes when you open it, the Windows flashes white. This can happen when navigating galleries, creating a new tab, toggling to details pane, or viewing files in details while copying. Microsoft is aware of this and is working on a fix. Another issue to note is the password icon on the lock screen. After the August 2025 non-security preview or later, the icon must be invisible. Only it's showing when you hover over its space. Microsoft has confirmed they are working to resolve this as well. Hopefully, these problems will fix in the future updates, making File Explorer and the lock screen experience more reliable. And that's it for the biggest Windows 11 25H2 update of 2025. This is the latest major feature update of the year for the main release. It's a bit disappointing that some issues like File Explorer glitches are still around, but hopefully Microsoft will fix them soon. For more details about this build and other updates, check the links in the description or Microsoft official blog. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any update. Thanks for watching ITPK, and until next time, take care and see you in the next video.